Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a 2-year or 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive 112-point inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.